Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjuna Nersu and I am sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers to stay in the video till end for to know the exact levels of the Bank Nifty levels and Nifty levels, at which level you have to take the trade, at which level you have to exit, what is the bank nifty target and what is the nifty target, to know the exact levels and what the instructions has to take the at that level. For to know all the things, you should watch all the video till end. So let's jump into the market. Today Nifty Bank has gained 460 points, which is of 1.43%, and has ended at 32,735 points. Let us see who has majorly contributed for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today. So for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today, HDFC Bank has contributed 268 points for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today. ICICI Bank has contributed 102 points for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today. SBI has contributed 60 points for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today. Majorly, these three banks have majorly contributed for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today. I always say in my every video, whenever you are get confused about the trend of the Bank Nifty at any particular point of time, at any particular point of trade, at any particular point of trading day, you can just check the trend of the HDFC Bank trend and ICICI Bank trend. So if HDFC Bank trend and ICICI Bank trend are in uptrend, Bank Nifty will also be in uptrend. If HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank trends are in downtrend, Bank Nifty will also be in downtrend. If HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are in sideways, Bank Nifty will also be in sideways. Yeah, this is a keynote. You must be very careful and be kept in your mind whenever you are make any trading on the Bank Nifty. So this will be very helpful for you to predict the trend of the Bank Nifty at any point of time. Okay, thanks for understanding. So now let me share the results of the given views yesterday for today's trade. So yesterday, that is of 26th April 2021, Bank Nifty was closed at 32,271 points, and today Bank Nifty was opened at 32,228 points, and I have given the buy call at 32,390. So our buy call was triggered here, and it made a high of 32,748. Okay, so from 32,390 to 34,748, almost 300 plus points. Out of 400 points of the trend of the Bank Nifty, we have grabbed 300 points of the Bank Nifty profit. Okay, if you have taken the one lot of the Bank Nifty, you got 7,500 rupees of profit under the Bank Nifty one lot trading on this particular view. Okay, hope you guys book at least 50 points, 100 points. I'm not taking 300 points or 350 points. I'm taking only 50 points, 60 points, 100 points. You can exit at any point of time, at any point of target, at any trading level. Yeah, based on your risk appetite, you can check as per your risk appetite at which point of time, at which point of trade you can exit, because I have given the many targets in the Bank Nifty or Nifty. So I'm giving because of the for the big traders. If you are a small trader, if you want if you are happy with the 30-point profit, 50-point profit, you can immediately exit with the 30-point profit, which is not a uh, small thing. Yeah, our target is always we should be in the green area. We always should be in the profit area at most of the times. Yes, hope you guys book your profit in today's view. If you have booked the profit, I request you to please mention the same in the comment section, so that other people will also get benefit of that comment, because they can easily understand that our views are valuable, so our views are accurate, more accurate, so that they can gain more confidence to take the views and to watch the video. Yes, thank you, thanks for understanding. So now let me share the bank nifty tomorrow prediction with bank nifty analysis would be. So today bank nifty was closed at 32,740, so our buy call will be activated for the bank nifty tomorrow prediction with bank nifty analysis for tomorrow would be, our buy call will be activated at 32,835 for the bank nifty target of 32,928, 33,000, 33,158, 33,298, 33,393, 33,524, 33,679, 33,824, 33,983, 34,151, 34,272, and a final bank nifty target of 34,435. These are the bank nifty targets for tomorrow. Yeah, and here you must be very careful. Here there may be chance of getting reversal from here from 32,920. Once it breaks, it can go up to 33,500. Yes, and here I would like to mention, you must be very careful. There may be a spikes may happen after this. Once it crosses this level 32,930, 32,940, once it crosses this level, it can go up to 33,500 there with a spike. So you must be very careful and be very active in the market whenever you are trading on that particular point of time. Okay, so now let me share the bank nifty tomorrow prediction with bank nifty analysis for the downtrend of the bank nifty tomorrow, that is of 28th April 2021. So our buy call, sell call will be activated for the bank nifty tomorrow prediction. Bank nifty analysis will be, our sell call will be activated at 32,605 for the bank nifty target of 32,501, 32,394, 32,334, 32,226, 32,172, 32,069, 32,015, 31,950, 31,895, 31,815, 31,725, 31,635, 31,545, 31,435, 31,385, 31,325, 31,250, 31,160, and the final bank nifty target of 31,045. These are the bank nifty targets for tomorrow for the downtrend of the bank nifty. And here there may be chance of getting the reversal from here from 32,498, and once it breaks, it can go up to 32,331. If 32,331 will also breaks, it can go up to 31,890. Okay, these are the crucial points. Why I have given these small targets? I can also give targets as 32,920, and next target would be 33,500. Like that, I can also give with 400 points. But for the small traders, for the ease of the small traders, I'm giving the small targets. If here you can take, if you want to exit in the first target, you can exit. If you want to make the trial stop loss, you can make the trial stop loss like that. Okay, and if it opens as a gap up above this level, we can take the buy call here. If it opens as a gap down below this level, you can take the sell call here. Okay, so now let me share the bank nifty options for tomorrow. So once bank nifty has crosses this level, which is of 32,835, you can buy the strike price of 32,800 CE. And once the bank nifty has crosses this level, which is of 32,605, you can buy the strike price of 32,600 PE. Okay, so our bank nifty options for tomorrow, that is of 28th April 2021. So our bank nifty options for tomorrow would be 32,800, CE and 32600 PE. These are the Bank Nifty options for tomorrow. Hope you guys noted down the levels. If you are not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and note down the levels and be stick to the levels which is going in the video. And don't be hurry. Always put the stop loss for every order which you are making the trade. It will save our capital. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for understanding and always be watch the video. Share this video. Thanks again. If you feel this video is helpful, if you feel my views are helpful to you, if you feel you are making profit on my views, if you feel this video will help others without paying any penny to the tip providers, yes, if you feel I'm genuine, then I request you to please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe to get the notifications when I post the updates, and share this video to all your network and make me available, make me reachable to all the traders who are looking for the tips, who are looking for the levels, on which level we have to trade, so that you will help them to take the profit from the trading. Okay, I'm so grateful to you if you have shared this video to your network. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for understanding.